In this video we will have a closer look on creating new sheets for schematics diagrams. First we select the correct application. Then we create a new file for schematics. We create a new folder for our project. And of course we give our drawing a name. We also add it to the database. Let's create a new sheet. We can do it by the menu or pressing Ctrl and page up. Now we have created sheet 1 with a drawing frame. We can create more sheets by pressing Ctrl and page up. We can use page up and page down to move between the sheets. So let's add some motors to our drawing. Let's give it a name. Let's go to the next page and add some more motors to it. Let us edit the drawing label and add some additional information. Let's add it to all the 4 pages at once. Now when we press OK, we can see that all pages are updated. Also in the project tree. Now let us put a new sheet in between the sheets. So in this case, I'd add a new sheet on page 2. Then we can copy and paste the information from previous sheets. And now sheet 2 is added and empty. If you're looking for a specific sheet, press Go to Sheet and select the sheet you're looking for. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.